Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your data with Zoom, complete guide step by step clearly. Open the Zoom application on your device. Log in to your Zoom account. Click on the gear icon in the upper right corner to access settings. In the settings menu, navigate to the security tab. Enable the option for require meeting passwords. This adds an extra layer of protection for your meetings. Choose a strong password that combines letters, numbers, and symbols. Next, enable waiting room for all your meetings. This feature lets you screen participants before they join. Make sure to review the participants in the waiting room. Once you're comfortable, admit them into the meeting. Now, go to the Zoom meeting section. Select the option to lock meeting once all participants have joined. This prevents anyone else from entering the meeting. Consider using only authenticated users can join. This option requires participants to log in before they can enter. Explore the advanced settings under the Security tab. Here, you can manage chat settings, screen sharing, and file transfer. Restrict screen sharing to host only to prevent unwanted disruptions. Communicate your meeting protocols to participants beforehand. Always keep your Zoom application updated to the latest version. This ensures you have the newest security features. Review the list of participants regularly during the meeting. Remove any suspicious users immediately if necessary. After the meeting, review the meeting report via the Zoom portal. This report provides insights into who joined the meeting. For additional protection, consider enabling two-factor authentication. This adds an extra step during the login process. Lastly, educate yourself on phishing attacks and how to recognize them. Being aware will help you avoid sharing sensitive information inadvertently. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.